Ladies and gentlemen, today I'll be telling you about a major danger to society, a menace, some may even call it a cancer. Today, I'll be talking to you about tanning beds. You're probably wondering yourself, they can't be that bad. Well, in fact, they are that bad. Today we'll be talking about the dangerous UV rays produced by tanning beds, some of the dangerous cancers that it does cause, as well as some healthier alternatives to get that nice summer tan that you all want. Now, I'll start our first point off by talking about ultraviolet light, also known as UV rays. There's three types of UV rays. There's UVA, UVB, and UVC. As you can see by the graph behind me, UVA rays are the least dangerous. They affect eyes, can cause cataracts, and are obviously produced by the sun. UVB is the second dangerous. They can cause skin cancers, and that's what gives you sunburns and stuff like that. UVC is the worst one. However, no need to fear, it doesn't even make it past the atmosphere. Now you're probably wondering, well, if the sun produces all three of these, how come the sun isn't scarier than a tanning bed? It is a proven fact that, first of all, UVA rays do in fact make it through the ozone layer, but the UVB rays that the sun produces are dwindled out, and by the time it even gets to the surface of the earth, are not nearly as dangerous as they would be, whereas if you were outside of the ozone layer or in the atmosphere. Secondly, UVA rays penetrate the skin 3 times deeper than UVB rays do. Now again, you're probably wondering, well, the sun produces these too. Why is it so dangerous to be in a tanning bed? Tanning beds have proven that they produce these rays at 3 times the rate that the sun does and at a closer range. So they're even worse for your skin than the sun could ever be. Sorry. Again, you're probably wondering, well, the sun produces these too. It is a proven fact that when you're in a tanning bed, if you get in there before the age of 35, you are 75% more likely to produce melanoma or other skin cancers. It's also proven that tanning beds can double the effects of melanoma. So if you do contract it from the sun, they might find it early, you can get it. In a tanning bed, that effect doubles. So it will spread to your body at twice the rate as it would if you contracted it from the sun. On to my second topic now, we will be talking about some of the cancers that can be produced from these UV rays. There's 3 types of skin cancers that can be produced: the squamous cell carcinoma, the basal cell carcinoma, and melanoma. When a person contracts sunburns, as we have all had, if it is a repeated sunburn, they double the odds of contracting skin cancers. Now, I'm sure we all have that one spot on our body where no matter what we do, no matter how much sunscreen we put on it, it always seems to burn. Every time we go outside in the summer, it burns, and it's the same spot. Well, in tanning beds, it's even worse because you don't burn. You can't see the burn because it goes through the epidermal layer of your skin, therefore giving you the tan without showing you the side effects of burning and what could happen if you were out in the sun. This is even worse, however, because when it does go through your skin, what happens when you get a sunburn is immediately your body produces antibodies and goes to heal the sunburn, and it's kickstarted. However, in a tanning bed, this process doesn't happen right away because the body can't identify the burn. Also, it's proven that sometimes tanning beds can be so bad they damage your skin to the point where process doesn't even happen at all, at which point your body takes months to recover and you don't even know it. As I said before, when you step inside a tanning bed, you are 75% more likely to contract a cancer such as melanoma than you would be if you were out in the sun. Another thing that tanning beds are also dangerous for is cataracts and eye cancers. There's not many eye cancers associated with it because, as I said before, that's typically involved with UVA lights and UVB lights. However, it is still possible, and cataracts are something that can be developed at a very early age, whereas in most people you don't see it until 60s and 70s. Now, maybe you're not taking my word for it. Maybe you're saying, I haven't seen any evidence, yada, yada, yada. Well, in 2018, both the FDA, World Health Organization, and the American Academy of Dermatology all said that and confirmed the dangers of UVA lights coming from tanning beds and said that you should never come near it. Now, not all hope is lost. There are some healthy alternatives. You could simply just go outside and make sure you apply sunscreen. When sunscreen is applied to the skin, it actually bounces off the UVA and UVB lights, and it helps your skin stay healthy while still getting a tan. You just might not tan as fast. You can also turn to the second alternative, which is getting a simple spray tan. I'm sure you all have done lately, given Promise Tomorrow. I'd like to say thank you for coming to my speech today as we went over the dangerous UV rays produced by tanning beds, the cancers caused by tanning beds, and some healthier alternatives. Thank you.